Okay, everybody, Jim with Totally Relaxed back again. Wind is kind of tough right now. I've got my external microphone on with the wind muff on, so hopefully it won't be too bad. Also, the airplanes have decided it's that time of day for them to start flying over, interrupting my video as always. But anyway, let's get on with this box opening. On the last video I said I was getting my 400 watt solar panels in, but that was a mistake. I believe I corrected it on screen on the last video, but actually what I got today was the 125 foot solar cables to go to my power unit ECOFLOW Delta Pro. Alright, let me see if I can cut this open without making myself bleed this time like I did last time. Well, we'll go ahead and use the side here that's already busted open thanks to the post office. Try not to cut the cables in half while I'm doing it. Y'all bear with me. Alrighty. And I got two sets. Hang on, let me finish getting it out of the thingy here. Okay. These are the negative, the positive leads to go to the unit. Okay, what we have here is the wire system that came with the power unit. This portion right here plugs into the ECOFLOW Delta Pro power unit, and these two here are the solar panel connectors. One is for negative and one is for positive, which plug into one or the other, and it's you can't get it wrong because it only fit one way. So I've also got the negative side to plug into the unit, with this harness as well. And also I have this Y connector in the event that I want to use the 160 watt panels I already have as well. There's another plug-in on the back side that I can do that as well. So it's relatively simple. I don't think I can really screw it up too bad, but anyway, that's the way it is, and I just want to share that with you. I should be getting my 400 watt panels tomorrow or the next day, so I don't know if I'm going to make a video on those or not. Y'all know what panels look like. If they look a whole lot different than the ones I showed you on the other video, I'll go ahead and make a video, but if not, I won't. So anyway, have a great evening, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.